This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to add charts to your spreadsheet to make data comparison using visual interest in Excel. It can be difficult to interpret Excel workbooks that contain a lot of data. Charts allow you to illustrate your work with data graphically, which makes it easy to visualize comparison and trends. Excel has several types of charts, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your data. To use charts effectively, you will need to understand how different charts are used. Select the cells you want to chart, including the column titles and row labels. These cells will be the source data for the chart. In this example, I'll select cells A2 to C11. From the Insert tab, click the Desired Chart command. If you're not sure which type of chart to use, the Recommended Chart command will suggest several charts based on the source data. I select combo chart because I think it's best option for what I've selected in the chart range. A combination chart is a chart that combines two or more chart types in a single chart. Excel allows you to add chart elements such as chart titles, legends, and data labels to make your chart easier to read. To add a chart element, you can use the chart formatting shortcut buttons to quickly add chart elements. For example, I try to add axis titles. Also, you can edit titles. You can fill the titles with cells of grade and colors, add different borders for titles and so on. This is available. Changing title direction, you need to change or define alignment for your text. To change the format of numbers on the value axis, right-click the value axis labels you want to format. For example, you can bound axis to a maximum or minimum amount or choose logarithmic scale for your chart. You can instantly change chart's look. Instead of manually adding or changing chart elements or formatting the chart, you can quickly apply a predefined layout and style to your chart. Also, you can change chart's color. You can determine what your chart displays by choosing a layout. For example, the layout you choose determines whether your chart displays a title, where the title displays, whether your chart has a legend, where the legend displays, whether the chart has axis labels, and so on. Excel provides several layouts from which you can choose. Chart Elements button provides accessibility to change axes, axis title, chart titles, grid lines, legends, thread lines, and etc. For example, I want to add a linear thread line. A dialog box appears that you can choose the data range that you want to add thread line. I choose population and you can see the result. If you want to change what displays in your chart, you can switch from row data to column data and vice versa. To change data included in the data range, you can use Select Data button. You can switch data range, remove them, or edit what is included. There is also a filter shortcut to define what you want to show in your chart. Excel provided a shortcut for chart styles. Pie charts are a popular way to show how much individual amounts. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the pie symbol. Pie charts can convert one column or row of spreadsheet data into a pie chart. Each slice of pie shows the size or percentage of that slice relative to the whole pie. Right-click the pie chart and click Format Font and Data Labels. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.